Well, it looks like we had a little bit of a catastrophe here. You want to see what Tiny Texie did? She etched in her name. Look at that. What's going on, guys? Okay, so I did not finish that vlog last time, man. I really struggle at trying to finish vlogs or trying to make content because I'm always on the move working with my hands. So then I don't have the camera, I can't set it up, it's dead, there's problems, there's issues. But anyways, giving you guys an update on the platform here with today's extravaganza with the truck. Well, you can see we got the seat out of the truck. We're getting the rock lights hooked up for lighting trends. We're making sure that they work, the brain boxes work, everything like that. And then we are getting all of the 32 rock lights that are on the truck lit up. So then that way we can have them matching the front bumper, front headlights, front tail lights, front everything. You guys know what it is. Well, last night, kind of giving you guys an update of what happened. Yesterday, worked really hard, got the red eye, picked up the red eye doors, got the red eye wrapped, got the Durango wrapped, everything was wrapped. Picked it all up, got it all transported back to Magic Man's shop, and then we realized that the rock lights were not working on the truck. So then we had to get the pod lights and the backup batteries and the backup controllers to put onto the truck. So that way we could figure out what exactly was it. Was it a battery lossage? Was it a drainage? Was it a bad controller? Was it a bad rock light? We come to find out it was a bad rock light. So we obviously have on spare rock lights. Yay! Shout out to Lighting Trends for sending that out. But we have a backup on spare rock lights. So we are getting it installed now so we can back it up and make sure it works. And then we are also working on the Durango. This morning, last night we went to RT Punisher, RT_Punisher. Shout out to him right here. So we went to his shop and picked up the RGB Flow Series taillights for the Durango and for the Chrysler 300 rear taillights. We went and picked those up from him. So he gave it to us. They look phenomenal. They look great. We're gonna get them installed on the car here later today. We picked up Hellcat. We went and picked up the steering wheel from him. We're here in Cali, so everything was local. Everything was pickup. No shipping, no nothing like that. So it was all great. Anyways, so we're here in Cali. We're doing what we gotta do. It's a beautiful day. I can at least not have to wear a hoodie today. I still have fiberglass all over my body. Been cleaning out Magic Man's shop, trying to make sure he's ready for paint so he can start painting the projects and painting the stuff so we can get it on the car. Right now, we're gonna finish working on the truck and getting it worked out. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of detail here. We don't like putting the brain boxes outside the vehicle. We like putting the brain boxes inside the vehicle. That way, you know, even though they're waterproof or water resistant, we like to take care of them. We wanna make sure that they're right. So we have here our inverter that we can plug in our laptop, stuff like that to charge. We have all of our side emitting Flow Series under the seat, under the dash lighting, and then obviously all of our rock lights. Now it looks like it's a mess right now, but it's really actually very organized. We have color coded each of the barrels that go on. We know which controller works for which, and we know exactly what's gonna be plugged in. We have extras just in case. Yeah, you see that burn hole? Yeah, that's what a controller did. You know, I'd say that's a blessing, because if it was on the outside of the vehicle and it was on fire or caught on fire, we wouldn't have known it, and it would have just been somebody yelling at us saying, "Your car is smoking." But in reality, it was inside the car, so we smelled that. It didn't go through the carpet. You don't see it on the other side. You don't see it on the other side. We'll come back with a update exactly what's happening next. Look, I'm on solid green, there's no blue. I'm on solid red, there's no red, or there's no blue. I'm on solid blue. So doing function, there's the 7-color thing right there. They're working. All right, what we got here? What we got here? We got the lens, yes! Okay, so we got the tail light, RGB Flow Series. All right, what we got going on here?
Fixing your wires.
Oh, we're gonna fix the wires here?
Your wires.
My wires?
Whoever did this.
My wires are really messed up, man. Whoever did this, shame on you. Let's open the next one. All right, so we're back. So we have the hood off. We're getting the light strips put on right now. We just got what? Wait, where's the chunk? Well, we took the chunk off. We sold it for gas money. We sold the chunk for gas money. That's what we did. For that diesel tank. Yeah. We're slowly tearing her apart, getting it to be different. Anyways, you guys got to see the cars. I am going to get back to work. We are exhausted, but we're gonna keep the day going. You guys know what we're doing. We're gonna get this car ready for Wham. Taylor's working hard, I'm working hard, we're all working hard. We are working the hardest we can, and we are going to get this baby up and running. But I don't know if she's gonna be ready for Wham, guys. We'll see you later till next time, guys. Make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled and we're out. Nasty. More driving than anything, because we have to drive from Cali to Illinois and then Illinois to Texas. And I have to go back to Los Angeles, get the cars, get the trailer, and start heading my way to Texas